In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Namecheap, and we'll do it in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or a first-time visitor, this tutorial will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any of your choice. Once you have your browser ready, type Namecheap in the address bar and hit enter. Alternatively, you can enter the URL directly as www.namecheap.com. This will lead you to the homepage of Namecheap, which is your gateway to registering domains and managing your web services. Once you're on the Namecheap website, direct your attention to the top left corner of the page. Here you'll find a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on this button. Clicking Sign In will direct you to the login screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Now it's time to input your username and password. In the provided fields, type in your unique Namecheap username and then move on to the password field. Make sure to enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. If you're using a personal device, you might want to consider enabling the Remember Me option. This feature will save you some time during your future visits by keeping you logged in. For those who may have forgotten their login details, don't worry, Namecheap provides an account recovery option. Simply click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link, follow the prompts to reset your information and regain account access. After entering your username and password, press the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials were entered correctly, you should now have full access to your Namecheap account. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and utilize the various tools available to you, whether it's shopping for a new domain, adjusting settings for existing domains, or accessing other account features. Remember, the key to seamless account maintenance is regular practice and familiarization with the platform. That wraps up our tutorial on how to log into Namecheap. I hope this quick guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, Namecheap's support team is always ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.